Hello and welcome. My name is Grace. I'm a data scientist at Arcam, and I'm going to show you today how to use KoboToolBox and the Elasticsearch. So let's start off with KoboToolBox. So basically it's a web-based application designed to create surveys, and in this module we will know how to create surveys. We will extract the data of the survey and try to upload it to the Kibana. So here we are in KoboToolBox. In order to design a new survey, these are pretty fine surveys that I created before, but when you create your account, you will not have any of those, so your window will look different. You build from scratch, although you cannot build from scratch too. Then you put a project. You can feel free to add as much detail as you want, and then you create a project. You create a question. And then you select an answer. Great. Fantastic. And then you save it, and it should go back. Okay, so now how do we fill in this survey? So I'm going to use testing 2 because this is what I've been using in order to test everything in Kibana. So we click, oh, sorry, I forgot. Okay. If you go back, you should deploy first your project. So when you create a survey, it will become a draft. You deploy it, and then it will be deployed, and that's when you can fill it in. So you collect the data, you open, and it should redirect you to a new tab where your survey, this is a brief survey that I've done, will appear. You fill it in and you submit, and sometimes it will keep it on a queue because sometimes it might take some time to upload, and it will tell you when it's successfully uploaded. Sometimes it does it right away, sometimes it doesn't. You can also try this on a mobile app, but you have to download the KoboToolBox app. Then you go back to let's go back to testing 2 to the summary, and you will see a download link. So this is where the extraction of the data from the KoboToolBox takes place. We do CSV files as for the moment. You may include a header, you may not. You can remove them once the data is uploaded into the Kibana and you export. When you export, it should download the file onto your files folders, and it will download it as an Excel file. So let's go back to Kibana. Oh, sorry, this is Kibana. So once you sign into the Kibana, this is what you should look at. So briefly speaking, all the visualizations should be on this tab. The dashboards are where, so when you want to create graphs from the data that you uploaded, you go to visualizations or visualize. You create a visualization clicking here, and the visualizations from your data, you can save them on the dashboard that is this. But then you also have DevTools, which is where we create all the magic in terms of search queries, and we will talk about this on the other module. But as for right now, I just want to teach you how to import the data. So you click on the pretty command there, and then you say import a CSV file. Alright, so you can actually drag and drop the Excel file that you downloaded from KoboToolBox, or you can look it up. I have it here, and it will download it just like this. And you can see that many times you dream, so the options are divided into percentages. And there are other analysis like what submission time, the indexes. So this is as much as we're gonna cover in this module, because if you import it this way, it's not gonna work, because there are some other things called metadata, which are right here, which we need to discuss before actually doing a full import of data, and that will be covered on modules further.